The first step of the 9-3 work together is to total our purchases journal. So after we have completed the transactions in 9-2, we have 3 transactions affecting the purchases journal. The total of those 3 is $4,650. The next step is to post the accounts payable ledger. So we need to post each of these individual vendors. We need to post to their individual accounts. So let's start with Pacific Supply. And this is just like our transactions, our posting we've done before. We'll have nothing in the item number because we are going to have P10 in the post reference. So that's telling you where this number is coming from, the purchases journal, page 10, whereas the balance isn't coming from a page number, which is why we have the check mark. So we need to have balance there to show that it's the balance, not a transaction. So because it's coming from purchases journal, page 10, P10 is all we need there. And then we are crediting. So notice it says account credited, and then we have Pacific Supply. So we're going to credit Pacific Supply for $3,252. And then we need to update our balance. So $3,252 plus $925.65 because they are both credits. So we add them when they're the same. Our new balance is $4,177.65. The last step, easy one to forget, but you don't want to miss these easy points, is to take account number 230 back up into our journal. And you'll follow those same steps for the remaining 2 transactions. Our last transaction here on the 11th. When each of them have been posted individually to their individual accounts within the accounts payable ledger, and they all have an account number, you've completed the second part of the work together. And finally, the last part we need to do is we need to post our totals. So our total needs to be posted to 2 separate places within the general ledger. First, we need to post it to the purchases debit, and then we need to post it to the accounts payable credit. So that same number posted twice. So $4,650 into our purchases journal. You'll use the last day of the month, so the 31st, same as the date we used for our total. Purchases, if you can't remember, it's up here. So purchases debit. A debit of $4,650, and we already have a debit balance. So we'll add those together. So there is our new balance, and we'll put account number 5,110 underneath our total. And then we need to do that again for our accounts payable. So we have our accounts payable on the 31st, also coming from purchases journal, page 10. And it says accounts payable, we are going to credit. So we'll credit $4,650. And we need to update our balance. So we have 2 credits, so we add them together. Our new running total balance, $10,783.53. Once you get your account number back underneath our total, all those listed, we have both the accounts we need to post our total to. That is the end of 9-3 work together.